Learn how to protect your assets. Divorces are usually complicated, so hiring a divorce lawyer is a smart move. The process is difficult in the best situations and sometimes can even be quite hostile. You may find yourself worried about how the assets will be split up. Protect yourself. However, beware the temptation to try to hide assets from your spouse. Some people, especially in contentious divorces, are angry and want to keep their spouses from getting their fair share. Or one spouse may have earned more than marital estate and feel that he or she is entitled to more than the courts will allow. Pennsylvania is an equitable distribution state, which means that marital property is divided the way a judge deems fair, rather than equally between spouses. Remember that hiding assets is illegal and you will probably be caught. Your spouse will likely have a fair idea of your assets. And at the beginning of divorce proceedings, there is a discovery period where spouses or their attorneys question each other about assets. They also question third parties, like banks and employers, who are required to give truthful information. You will probably be questioned under oath, so if you are caught giving false information or holding back information, you could be charged with perjury. How can you protect yourself? Close joint credit accounts to avoid debt from extravagant spending by your spouse. Those debts could end up being your shared responsibility. Open accounts in your own name. Start building individual credit as soon as possible. You can withdraw a reasonable amount of money from a joint account and use it to start your own personal account. You will need money for living expenses and for legal or divorce fees, so you need to be sure that you have access to it. Inventory assets and be alert for missing items. Start making a list of all the property and financial assets that you know about, including jewelry, trusts, and other special types of financial documents. If you observe that things are missing, make note of them. If you are concerned that your spouse could take or damage items, you should put them in a safe place and talk to your lawyer about how to protect them. Finding a divorce lawyer is a good first move when dealing with any type of divorce, especially when the divorce is contentious or a large amount of money or assets are involved. Divorce lawyer William D. Schroeder Jr. has over 30 years of experience helping people deal with divorce in Philadelphia, Montgomery, and Bucks. For a consultation or information, call 215-822-2728 or visit www.jrlaw.org.